Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can turn off message notifications you receive in the WhatsApp application, but not on your mobile device, but in the WhatsApp application installed on your PC or on your laptop. So let us guide you through it, guys. So what you want to do is head over to the WhatsApp application installed on your Windows 10 or 11 or on your Mac. And what you will need to do, guys, is click into that icon in the very bottom left corner. And from here, what you want to do is head over to the notification settings here. And from there, guys, scroll down a bit to get to the messages notifications and simply disable them by toggling them off here to the right. You can also disable notifications for calls if you like, for messages, for status reactions, for reactions, and so on and so forth. You can also select a notification audio message below. However, guys, for copyright reasons, I'm not going to play that example message tone here, but you can select one from that menu here and select an alert for these incoming notifications. And that's basically it. You may also show a banner notifications. If you're tired of this, guys, simply click into that arrow down icon and switch from always to never, and that is going to disable also these banner notifications as well as taskbar notification badge here. And that's how you effectively disable notifications for incoming messages on WhatsApp on PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.